Welcome to another episode of You and the Law. Recall that on the last episode we looked at the right to freedom of thought, conscience, and religion as provided for in section 38 of the 1999 Constitution. And we looked at all the facets of the rights created in that section. We also looked at the limitations, the exceptions to the right to the freedom of conscience, thoughts, and religion. We mentioned that subsection 4 of section 38 provides that the right to freedom of thought, conscience, and religion does not include the membership, the right to be a member of a secret society. Now, membership of a secret society is a looming trend. It's becoming a mainstream in our society today. It began in 1953 with the Nobel laureate, our own Wole Soyinka, who with six other students of the then University College of Ibadan, started off a confraternity. That was just the humble history of secret societies in Nigeria. Although there are other ancient, of course, traditional societies, but the history of secret societies and cults as we know them today is traceable to that single action of Wole Soyinka in University of Ibadan. Now, of course, that has grown to numerous, hundreds of other secret societies and cults in Nigerian universities today. Now, the definition of what really is a secret society was volunteered by the Constitution in section 318. And section 318 provides that a secret society, an association is a secret society when it's first, number one, when its objects, it has a sign, oaths, and symbols that they are known, they are peculiar to the members of the association, and the association looks out for the interest of the members of that association without looking at the issue of merit, justice, and fair play. And secondly, where an association, the membership and activities of an association is not known to the members of the public, the court, the law, the constitution also considers such an association a secret society. And the law is that once you're a member of a secret society, of course, many other state laws have, of course, because membership of associations is not on the exclusive list. It's not a matter that the federal government can legislate on, and the constitution does not incriminate membership of secret societies. It only makes it that your right to freedom of expression, freedom of religion, thoughts, and conscience does not extend to membership of a secret society. It does not go beyond that to place obligations on members of the public not to belong to secret societies. That has been left to the legislatures of various state governments. And for instance, in Enugu State, we have a law that prohibits membership of secret societies. It's a felony, and it has a term of imprisonment of 14 years and above. And of course, the Nigerian police, seeing the endemic nature of the issue of secret calls and secret societies and cults, have gone ahead to create particular sections of the police force to tackle the issue of cultism. Now there are anti-cult, there's an anti-cult division of the Nigerian police. And of course, with the passage of laws by the different state legislatures, it means that they are now giving weight to that provision of section 38 sub 4 that limits the membership, the right to freedom of conscience, thoughts, and religion to non-membership of secret societies. Now, we just wanted to make this clarification. We got a lot of questions and reactions about what is the implication of that provision that does not just create any obligation but limits the right to freedom of conscience, thought and religion to exclude the membership of secret societies. The addendum is that many states have gone ahead to make laws, and the federal police has created a section of the police which tackles exclusively or mainly issues of membership of secret societies. Of course, the harm that has been unleashed on our societies by these cults and secret societies, they have unleashed untold atrocities, and these actions by both the state government and the federal police is a welcome development. We thank you for joining, and we await you the next episode. Thank you very much.